Hello, this is a video trying to show the H60 V2 with what I think is excessive pump noise. So I've disconnected all my fans. The fans aren't running. See your fans not running, so all the fans are still. Now I'm going to show you the noise the pump's making. Sorry about that. All I have is my cell phone. Hopefully you can hear that. Hear another angle. Pump is plugged into the CPU header. See if I can right there. Okay. I'm going to disconnect the pump to show you what it sounds like when it's not on. So pulling it out now. And plugging it back in now. Okay, thanks.